Hi! Today we're going to be opening my very first Joah box. This is a Korean beauty box. It's my first time ever. It is coming straight from Korea. It came in this packaging. There was a label, but I always rip those off before the filming anyway. A little bit beat up, but it has crossed an ocean to get to me, so let's see what's inside. I like the box. The black and silver is really working for me. Okay, we've got a pretty bow type thing here. November Joah Box products. And so this is my insert in beautiful English. Oh, I got a little card. Joah Box Korean Beauty subscription box. November Joah Box. The Two of Clubs. Q. Eco Beyond. Red fruits and vegetables contain phyto-Rx such as lycopene and anthocyanins. Red food protects the body from external stimuli and makes the skin look attractive. Classic hand cream. Hot Cuisine Premium Snail Eye Cream. Oops, why am I not having a good... There we go. It's all in Korean. Some of you may read Korean. Chica y Chico 1 Kill Eyeliner. This one has makeup in it. One shot palette. That's actually a good color scheme for me. That would look pretty on me. Really nice. And of course, what would a Korean beauty box be without a mask? Master Deep and Quick Mask Firming Care. Beauty is clever. Wrinkle care, brightening, relaxing, hydrating. 10 to 20 minutes. It's a big one. That's pretty cool. So let's see here. That's all for this. Let's read a little bit about it. So classic hand cream. Tells you the value, how to use it. 1 Kill eyeliner. Comes with 3 variations, and I think I got black. Let me see here. Yep, 1 Kill black, which is cool because I only wear black. For vivid and sharp eye makeup. And their tips. Master Deep and Quick Mask. Comes in 3 variations. Aqua Care, Tone Up Care, Firming Care. And I got the firming. And it tells you how to use it. One Shot Eye Palette. Also by the same company as the eyeliner. Chica y Chico. So that's cool. They picked the wine burgundy version to help you with fall and winter looks. And then of course the premium, so I'll show you this. Premium Snail Eye Cream by Hot Cuisine. Share your skincare routine and makeup looks with Joah Box items and get featured on our Instagram. So I always go onto the Instagram anyway to kind of show my unboxings, or I have been starting. This is I can't remember if I got the one-time box, which would have been $35.95, or the monthly subscription, which is $33. It comes straight from Korea, so it's a little hard to track, but it honestly did not take that long to get here. So I'm liking it. It's definitely different. I will say that each beauty box I get, there's a different feel for every single one, and this one has its own feel. It almost feels sleeker, if that makes anything, whereas like Boutique and Michi Box feel more playful and fun. I would say that Joah Box is definitely giving me a sleek vibe, if that makes any sense. A polished vibe maybe, which is pretty cool. I don't have anything like that, so I'm definitely digging it. I will check it out. I believe I'm getting this monthly, and we'll see how it goes. As always, like, comment, subscribe. If If you have any ideas for Korean beauty boxes that I haven't heard of, please let me know. I'm always down for trying new things. So otherwise, I will see you guys next month.